Hello guys, this is Paulo with Cindy Lopez. I'm recorder outside. Subscribe button so you like the video, press notification every time. Thank you. A new video from my favorite Instagram. No chat. I don't have no chat right now, but I'm recorder outside the weather. I think that's the second video I made for the weather. It's raining a lot of water. A lot of place. This is gonna be a short video because I'm not recording for because the quarantine for 3 months is really crazy right now. But I record outside, show you all the cars. You see that a lot of people is staying in apartments because the quarantine for 3 months is still crazy. I show you the water. I know a lot. This place is outside. Now really good weather, but it's just summer's almost here. I don't see a storm right now. Just take it easy. But I make a small video, and you can see that it's a lot of things I recorded from my house right now. That's really okay. But key is coding. Guys, I know my videos is not funny, it's not that, but I was recording what happened when you in quarantine sometimes. Sometimes it is really nice to stay inside, and drive and stay all nice. But you never know. Pray and everything will be okay. Be safe home. Sanitize your hands, put your mask. Nice. Thank you guys for the patience, and I'll record a lot because in a single one 24 hours it's difficult to record every time. But I make a video for the weather and Grand Rapids is raining. Subscribe button so you like the video, put a notification every time I make a new video from you. Instagram, Twitter, and I shall see you guys. You see the weather, the water. See you next time.